Encountering a key not detected error in your 2010 to 2019 Lexus GX460 usually means the key fob battery is dead. You can still start your car using the built-in bypass. First, remove the physical key blade hidden inside your key fob. Next, use this key blade to manually unlock the driver's side door. The fob's transponder still works even with a dead battery. Then, locate the key slot. It's in the driver's side storage bin or glove compartment near the start button on the center console. Insert the key into this slot, turn it to the on position, and press the start button to start the engine. Alternatively, place the dead fob as close as possible, within 6 to 12 inches, to the start button and press the start button. This bypass ensures you're never stranded. After bypassing the dead key fob, the next step is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as possible. The battery is a CR232 type, which typically lasts 1 to 3 years. Replacement is simple and costs only $5 to $10. You can replace the battery yourself at home or have it done at a dealership. Remember that cold weather can accelerate battery drain, so be prepared for this issue in winter. In the future, automotive trends are moving toward phone-based digital keys that may eliminate the need for physical keys or batteries. Always check your physical key slots in the glove box and driver's side to ensure they are clean and free of debris, and that you know how to operate them. Experts say bypassing a dead fob is safe and effective, but modern vehicles will likely phase out mechanical keys for better security.